Yeah, it's starting to blow cold now, so you guys should be set up. I do hate these units because that part, it's made so cheap, and that's why we always replacing them. Now, as far as how long it'll last, I've seen them work for a long period of time, and I've also seen them break the next day. We're going to have to wait, see how it does. I'm going to get out you guys' hair if you want to sign my paperwork real quick. Now, ma'am, I will say this. The color that you guys put on these walls, it is gorgeous. That really, it pops, you know. You done with the paperwork? Okay.